Home remedies for blood poisoning. Blood poisoning happens as bacteria that trigger infection inside several parts of the body enter the bloodstream. More importantly, the elderly, infant and young children who experience weak immune systems are more prone to his health issue. Also, you are at higher risk of contracting blood poisoning if suffering from some chronic diseases including diabetes, cancer, AIDS, liver or kidney disease, a severe bone or physical trauma. Some common symptoms of blood poisoning consist of fever, chills, accelerated breathing along with heart rate, rash, confusion, disorientation. A blood test to know whether the number of white blood cells is normal or not is widely used to help diagnose blood poisoning. Home remedies for get rid of blood poisoning. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is known as one of the traditional home remedies for a wide variety of health problems, including, of course, blood poisoning. Thanks to its curcumin compound, turmeric is used to promote the protein level in your blood. As infused with more protein, the blood in your body can combat and inhibit various kinds of infection. Also, this healthy ingredient is beneficial for preventing swelling and bonds with its antibiotics, leaving with little or no side effect. To help treat blood poisoning, you had better include some turmeric in your daily meals while cooking. You can opt for mixing a teaspoon of turmeric with boiled as well as cooled water and then consuming the solution every day. The recommended intake of turmeric is about 2 grams monthly. 2. Garlic. Garlic is a trusted home remedy for this condition since it has a component called allicin to help fight against some certain types of inflammations in the body leading to blood poisoning. Using garlic frequently can boost the immune system to a great extent. Plus, it was used as a natural solution for warriors having wounds and infections such as gangrene and sepsis. If you are suffering from blood poisoning, don't forget to add garlic to your daily meals to stave off the impacts of sepsis. Another option is to mix some chopped garlic cloves with honey and continue to swallow it. This treatment can get rid of other infection and relieve the symptoms of blood poisoning effectively. 3. Honey. Honey is considered as fast recovery booster. In the future, it will be used more extensively as an impressive pharmaceutical tool. Regarding the application, all you need to do is to consume 2 spoons of honey each day. In addition, it can be mixed with milk and other beverages to keep the body staying healthy. In case you get a wound, then applying honey to those affected skin areas per day is a perfect cure for better results. Is honey. Don't forget to get your hands washed when going in and coming out of the bathroom, handling public door handles, toilets, and etc. These are all some home remedies to prevent blood poisoning. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.